Before I started this video today, I just got an exclusive partnership with Blowfin. As you can see here on the screen, essentially they're giving away futures trading rewards. So if you can capitalize on that by trading using the exchange, you must use the sign up link as you can see here on the screen and in the description below to sign up. But you can get some rewards if you can get some trading volume up to 1 million, get you some AirPods within a month. 5 million will get you a Switch. And obviously, as you can see here, if you trade up to $100 million of volume, you can get a Rolex, guys. So check out that link down below. Here's the video. What's going on, guys? It's Greeny here. Welcome back to another video. Really short one again today, guys. I'm really trying to punch out these really quick tutorials to you. Essentially, what I'm showing you today is how you can use Magic Eden, my favorite sort of NFT marketplace for ordinals, okay, on Bitcoin. But you can actually use Magic Eden to buy and sell runes, and that's what this tutorial is on today. Please don't forget to subscribe down below, smash the like button as well. It does help me grow and I really do appreciate it. So it's Magic Eden, guys. This is something that I do want to discuss off the top, is if you are trading some of these runes and these ordinals on Magic Eden, you will get the chance to obviously get some diamonds, which has the potential of an airdrop soon on Magic Eden. They've obviously been claimable for Ethereum and for Solana in the past, so definitely consider that when trading some of these collections on Magic Eden. But if you come to the homepage, it's just magiceden.io, guys, /Bitcoin. This is what it looks like for ordinals. You can actually runed the list as well. So in other words, if you click this, it's going to show you all the pre-runes that have been promised to give allocation to some potential runes in the future. So obviously rune stones have dropped some already. Prometheans are literally about to drop very soon, the number 2 rune. And obviously Arctic has dropped one more recently as well. But there's a lot here that you can maybe dive in a bit further that is quite affordable considering the price of some of the ordinal collections. But for the sake of this video, guys, what we're looking at is runes directly. So if you click up the top, click the runes button, it's going to take you to this page, okay? So runes are a new type of fungible token built on Bitcoin. So that's super great because essentially what we've seen with Solana meme coin season and even base meme coins and even Blast and other blockchains, okay, is that people love to trade fungible tokens. And that's why NFTs have really taken a sort of backward step this cycle, because so many people are preferring meme coins because there's so much more liquidity, there's so much volume there, and it's easy to get in and out of these trades. So the fact that Bitcoin is adopting this is super bullish for me because runes are definitely going to cook when you consider them to other meme coins and their evaluation in this space. So if you look at multiple Solana meme coins and Ethereum meme coins, they're worth billions of dollars, guys. So for me, there's definitely upside for runes in crypto, okay? So this is what it looks like. So you select a rune. So obviously the top ones are going to be at the, the highest volume tokens, as you can see over on the side, are going to be at the top. So generally speaking, it's the ones that are the most popular, whether that's through Twitter influencers or whether they're the ones with a reputable name. So obviously this is RSIC, which is rune number 8, so within the top 10, who have partnered obviously with Memeland. Satoshi Nakamoto speaks for itself, guys. Quite a lower supply. So as you can see here, I currently own these two up the top. So this rune number 6, and then Dog to the Moon is obviously one that just dropped yesterday as rune number 3. And then the big one that I'm keeping an eye out for is the Prometheans that is about to drop very shortly as well, because they are rune number 3. So they are Cyberkongs, okay, and that's a super bullish. They're such OGs in the NFT space. So definitely keep an eye on the Prometheans and how their airdrop token goes. And that'll be dropping very soon. It's called decentralized, just so that you can keep an eye on it. But as you can see here, this is what it looks like, guys, once you do own some. So as you can see, I own a bit of RSIC and I own a bit of Satoshi Nakamoto. So for the sake of this video, let's go in and I'll show you this. So you click on it, okay, and if you would like to buy a certain amount, you use this toggle tab to nominate how much it is. And obviously as you click it up to a certain amount, okay, so that's the amount of tokens that you want to buy on this particular rune, then it's going to show you over on the side how much that's actually going to cost. So for this one, only a 0.0086 BTC for $500 at the current average price of 0.01269. So if I click buy now, it obviously activate my Xverse wallet, which is the one that I would highly recommend that you use to trade this, as you can see here. So I just won't do that, but just for the sake of this video, I'll just show you that it pops it up. But that's how you can do it. Alternatively, if you have a bigger bag or you have a smaller bag, you can nominate the certain amount of tokens that you want to buy for the certain price. So you can check that out all down below. So it tells you how much the total price is in Bitcoin and obviously how much it is in USD based on the current Bitcoin price as well. The sell option is here. So as you can see here, guys, these are my sats that I own, or the tokens, sorry, that I own for this particular token, or rune, let's call it, sorry. And I can list all of these for a certain price, okay? And you can edit it, so you can ladder them as well over on the side. side, and lowest ask is just essentially that's what the current price is at the lowest ask for these particular tokens. You can obviously increase it by certain percentages if you like as well. Now, the really cool feature here is that up on the side, you can quickly click between the other tokens that you maybe want to buy or you maybe want to sell over on the side here. So if I wanted to list these runes, which I don't want to do at this current point of time, I would click list. Okay, again, it would activate my Xverse wallet and it would just list them for me, but I don't want to do that at the moment because I want to hold these a longer term. As you can see over there on the side, guys, it does show you what's happening with this particular rune right now. 257 buys pending. Market cap is at 260 million or 4,000 Bitcoin, and the current price, as you can see, is 20 sats, or I like to use USD. It's just easier for me to track rather than all these little zeros before the sats of that amount. And then it's always good to check the volume, okay, and the supply of the tokens, and that's a really nice supply with current holder count as well. So these are some good analytics that you can check between these tokens at the moment to see essentially what's happening there. So again, same process if I wanted to sell or buy my Satoshi Nakamoto. So as you can see here, so as you saw there just before I clicked on it, guys, it actually, the lowest ask had obviously changed because that's either someone's listed lower or someone has come in and bought the lowest ask. So that's why it was flashing yellow to tell you and warn you that essentially you were going to have the lowest ask rate if you were to list those runes right now. So that's really it, guys. It's super easy to use Magic Eden. I've had such a fun time trading ordinals with Magic Eden, so it's no surprise that using runes on here is super clean. They do have a swap potentially coming soon, so that's really interesting around the technology there. So in other words, you could swap it for some other tokens if you'd like to over on the side. But that's essentially how I use Magic Eden to track rune coins and how I buy and sell rune coins on Magic Eden. The last two things I just want to talk to you about, guys, is obviously some extra sort of tools that you can use in this space. So shout out to Ignis here on the screen. As you can see, he's a DeFi researcher, and what he has here are some of the best tools in the space for you to be tracking some of the runes protocol. Okay, so take a screenshot of this if you need to. Dive into these because these essentially just give you some more clarification around where places you can mint, places you can split the UTXOs if you're looking to jump on the minting side of things. You can etch and mint and transfer runes on runebtc.xyz. So dive into these, guys, if you would like to sort of discover some of these spaces. And then this is just one that I have been using. This is Jenny Data. Ordinals, okay, but obviously it has it for runes as well. So you can see currently what's happening in the rune space around what has a lot of volume, okay, what's having a lot of sales, what the mint rank is currently for some of these tokens. Now, obviously you can't mint on Magic Eden, but you can buy and sell. So having a look here, as you can see, we've seen this one here that has minted out, and this one's very close as well. So these two would be dropping on here on Magic Eden very shortly. So you can obviously start to search them once they're on there as well. But that's my tutorial, guys. Please leave me any feedback down below on Magic Eden. More than happy to answer questions for you. And as always, guys, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I really do appreciate it. I will see you again soon, guys. Take care.